Hey everybody, happy Friday. Welcome back to my channel. I am Stacy. I am a beauty and lifestyle content creator. I've been here on YouTube for about 15 years, believe it or not, and I took a big break and started back recently here on my channel. So I have about 2 or 3 months worth of videos already going. So if you haven't seen those, be sure to check them out. So being in the creator space for 15 years has taught me a lot, and there are lots of different platforms that you can use to monetize your content. So send me a message or leave me a comment if you need any help with that, because I am an open book and I'm always happy to help. I do have some different referral links that sometimes get you kind of like higher up on the wait lists or in the list or in the system to get approved for your own accounts. For today's video, I'm going to share my 5 favorite things for the week. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1 is a pair of shoes. These are from Target. I bought these a couple weeks ago in the store. I tried them on and they definitely run true to size, but the reason I'm sharing them here again is because right now they're on sale. They are having a 20% off for Target Circle members, and that's for clothing, accessories, and shoes. So these are under $30 right now. So I wanted to share those because these are going to be a great style for fall. They're really popular still, and there's other brands that have these higher end brands that are similar, but these are obviously a really great deal for under $30. Another big sale that I want to talk about is Banana Republic Factory, and I love shopping Banana Republic Factory because they've got everything that is on trend, and they have, you know, kind of more of your athleisure wear. They also cover just your everyday outfits, and they also have some great things for work. But one of the things that I picked up was a belt, and it's just a beautiful chocolate brown suede belt with gold hardware. Anyway, it's on sale. Everything on the whole entire site is 50% off. So I wanted to share that with you in case you're looking for some new fall clothing or accessories. Next for clothing is a company called Lysse, and I have shared that here before. And this outfit that I'm wearing here is just a beautiful outfit that I think is good for a work outfit or a day out. I've got the wide leg pants on. They're a nice subtle plaid, and then I paired them with a gray chambray button down. I put the white top underneath it and tied it at the waist for just kind of something a little bit different. Anyway, I will link that website because they've got great affordable clothes for work and for play at affordable prices. Now I'm going to move on to beauty here real quick. I have this from the company called Dermatology. I worked with them probably, I don't know, maybe a year ago, and I was helping them promote a product that I love, and this is it. This is their under eye corrector, and it is just a fabulous under eye corrector. It has the nice little applicator, which is actually sort of like a cooling applicator for when you put it on. I use the medium shade. It is great for covering up and disguising those dark circles or other discolorations that you get under your eyes, and you can actually use it on your face if you have some discolorations on your face too. So I wanted to share that because that is still a favorite of mine. And my last product for today is something that is new to me. It was sent to me by the company, and I have only been using it for about a week now, but I want to tell you all about it. This is called the ZIIP Halo. You may have seen it before. So this is a facial toning device, basically. So it has microcurrent and nanocurrent, and you're going to use this paired with a conductor gel, which this is one of theirs. This is the ZIIP Crystal Gel. I believe they have a couple different ones. So you're using these electrical currents to basically exercise the muscles in your face. So that is going to help to give you some lift to the different areas that you need it. I'm definitely in desperate need of some help here, so I thought I would give this a try. I'm going to continue to use it, and hopefully we'll see some progress, but I wanted to talk about it because it's just really neat. You pair it with your phone through Bluetooth, and when you're using it, you can pick which program you want to do. So if you want to just do a lower face or a full face or a brow lift or just whatever you want to do, they guide you through it the whole way. It's a video that gives you step-by-step guides and walks you through it while you're doing it. And I think that's pretty amazing. So that is all for today's video. As always, I'm going to put a description down below that's going to have links to all of the products that I talked about. I'm also going to put those links in the first comment, and I will pin that comment to the top there so you can find the links easily for those of you that need that. And I really do appreciate you watching, so I will see you guys next Friday. Have a great week.